beautiful family, welcome back to yet another video, another try on haul. Okay, the company enjoyed it so much the last time. This is from the company Lovely Wholesale. Let me make sure I'm saying that right. Lovely Wholesale. They enjoyed the last try on haul so much that they wanted me to do another one for you guys. This one is going to be their spring promotion. Now, I chose everything that I'm going to show you in the haul, sis, okay? And I was getting a little risque. Okay, because y'all know she back on the dating scene. She is an avid dater. Okay, so I chose some some grown woman stuff. Okay, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Yay, nay, whatever, because I know y'all will. Also, please make sure you check down in the description bar for any and all information related to this video. There will be a discount code that you can get 10% off. I think if you use my code Sharon8, I'm going to put it across the screen just to be sure. I'm also going to make sure I put their name across the screen because that would be crazy to be doing a haul for somebody and don't even know their damn name, right? So I'm sure that goes across the screen as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't honestly know, like straight up, this is the intro part. I don't know how the actual try on haul is going to turn out. In all honesty, because number one, I have not worn a pair of heels, and I can't tell you when. So, listen, sis, the ankles was a little on the wobbly side. But a lot of you suggested in the last video, Sharon put on shoes so that we can kind of, you know, get a better idea of what the outfit will look like put together. So, that's what I tried to do. Again, any and all information concerning this particular video will definitely, I won't leave nothing out, will be down in the description bar down below so that you can follow along, get you some discounts, get you some deals. Baby, look, summer is coming, spring. I'm telling y'all, pandemic where? What? Who? She's still going to get her whole date on, honey. And when I show y'all these outfits, y'all going to be like, sis, where you think you going? Honey, you are as young as you feel. And you can dress as young as you feel. I will say this, okay? The clothes, the quality of the clothes, to me, just, it says Forever 21. To give you a visual idea when you're shopping online, to me, it's Forever 21 type of quality, material-wise. Number one, shipping takes, I'm going to say around 2 weeks, I think, from the time, hair, you better do right. I think 2 weeks, give or take, from the time I placed my order until the time I received it. So if you're like trying to get something in a hurry, you might want to like pre-plan that thing out because shipping does take a little bit to come. I think around 2 weeks, which is not bad if you're not in a hurry. Also, one other thing I want to point out too is the clothes I think are coming from China. And, you know, women, Asian women are much smaller than, you know, us American women are in a lot of ways. They're little petite little things. Cute as can be, though. However, I always just play it safe and I order everything in a large. And I learned from the last haul that sometimes larges are a true large. And so some of the items that I got in the last go around were a little big. And I could have probably got away with the medium. So I did the same thing this time. I ordered everything in a large. But I think everything this time actually fit like how it was supposed to. Because I think the cut on their clothes is smaller. Does that make, I think, I don't know. Anyway, let's jump right into the video. You guys, let me know what you think down below. Rate your outfit. Which one you like, which one you don't like. Hey, I don't know. I'm going to probably take some pictures and put them on Instagram, a couple of my favorite pieces, like for my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Like pretend like I'm really doing something because, I mean, I don't know. Enjoy the video, you guys. I love you. To the moon and back. Everyone, please keep your head up. Stay positive. I am your keeper and you are mine. And I hope you enjoy this video. I got to find the perfect music and the perfect editing way I want to do this video. So go ahead and enjoy it. Let me just shut up. Jump right into it. It's probably going to be long enough as it is. So I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, by the way, because let me tell you something. Try on hauls ain't no joke. Jumping in and out of clothes, hairstyle, shoes. About broke my ankle. For y'all, give a sister a thumbs up so I would know you like these types of videos. How about it? And if you're not part of this family, what the heck you waiting on? I done told you. You don't get no better than this over here, sis. You don't get no better. come on over here. Be part of the family. Dysfunction and all, okay? This is the best place you can be. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Smash it all so that I will know the love is real. And I am going to catch you going down the runway. Bye.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back. Oh, girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back. Oh, girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover. Just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? Leave me like that. Your favorite lover do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back. Oh, you know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Whoa.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
free. Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you, yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever, yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate.